Hey everyone. So I had a few people ask the same question, and I figured I'd just make a quick video to hopefully help everyone out. This question number 6 on 3.1, this is that mean section. We're looking at this question and we have a city with 3 high schools. And so the mean score for each school is listed and then the number of the ninth graders. And so we want to find the mean score for all the ninth graders in the city. So the way we want to do that, let's see if I can get my pen in the right space here. Okay, so to solve this one, we want to take the 76 students at the first school and multiply by 274 students. And then we'll add the 91 times 331 students at the next school. And then we'll finally add the 65 score, the score of 65, times the 185 students at the last school. So that's our mean for each of the schools. Let me see if I can find my pen again. There we go. And we're going to divide that by the total number of students. So that would be 274 plus 331 plus 185. And so we'll look for our calculator here. See if I can bring that up. There we go. So I'll clear that out and move that over so I have a little bit more space. I will take 76 and multiply by 274. That gives me 20,824. Oh, there we go. Okay, so let's bring it down. Oh, what was the number that I just said? Hold on. 2824. Okay. So down here, I'll do 2824 plus 91 times 331. Bring that calculator back up. And I get 3121. Bring it back over here. Plus 65 times 185. On this white background, the cursor disappears on me. All right, so 65. And we'll multiply by 185. I get 12,025. And so I'll put that down here. That was 12,025. And I'm going to put that over the sum of all of our students here. Sum of the students is 274 plus 331 plus 185. That gives me 790. So our denominator here is 790. And so at this point, I think I could put this all in the calculator and get my final answer. And so I will take 2824 and add on 3121 plus 12,025. That gives me a total of 62,970, and I'll divide that number by 790, which gives me 79.7. So here our actual average would be 79.7 overall. So I hope that's helpful. I had a couple of people email me and say there weren't any video that actually covered this question per se. So hopefully that helps you out and you have a great rest of your weekend.